In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Wisetag. Wisetag is a short, unique identifier attached to your Wise profile. It's handy because it lets others recognize your account without extra personal details. Here's how to find it quickly and safely. First, open the Wise app on your mobile device. If you haven't opened it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version from your app store so your screens match what you'll see here. Use the official Wise app and a reliable internet connection. To access your Wisetag, you need a Wise account. If you're new to Wise, create an account by following the on-screen prompts. You'll enter a few basics so Wise can set up your profile. Choose a strong password and keep it private. If you already have an account, simply sign in and you're good to go. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the home screen and tap the profile icon. Depending on your device, it may look like a small circle with your initials or a silhouette. That opens your account overview, where key profile details are grouped for quick reference. Right under your profile name on that screen, you'll see your Wisetag. It's usually displayed clearly so you can recognize it at a glance. This is the identifier you can reference when you need to confirm your profile. Treat it like any other account detail, share it only with trusted people or services, and avoid posting it publicly. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the profile section, not another tab, and update the app. Closing and reopening the app can refresh your view. Layouts can vary by region or account type, but the Wisetag still appears beneath your profile name once your account is set up. And that's it. Open the Wise app, create your account if you don't have one yet, tap the profile icon in the top right, and your Wisetag will be right under your profile name. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to keep your account details secure while you enjoy the convenience of your Wisetag.